Want to know the health gains of consuming garlic? Here are the top 5 health benefits of adding garlic to your food. 1. Boosting immune system. Garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. It contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to enhance the immune system's ability to fight off infections. Studies have found that garlic supplementation can reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for combating various infections and illnesses. 2. Reducing blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Numerous studies have demonstrated that garlic can significantly reduce blood pressure in individuals with high blood pressure. The active compounds in garlic, such as allicin, help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, thereby lowering blood pressure levels. Regular consumption of garlic can thus serve as a natural remedy to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. 3. Improving cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a fatty substance in the blood that can accumulate in the arteries, leading to heart disease. Garlic has been shown to lower total and LDL cholesterol levels while potentially increasing HDL cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining heart health. By reducing LDL cholesterol, garlic helps prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular conditions. 4. The antioxidants. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which are substances that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to chronic diseases and aging. The antioxidants in garlic, such as selenium, vitamin C, and quercetin, help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases like Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and other age-related conditions. Additionally, these antioxidants support overall health by promoting cellular repair and rejuvenation. And lastly, the anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing inflammation and associated pain and discomfort. Regular consumption of garlic can help manage and prevent chronic inflammatory conditions, promoting overall health and well-being. Incorporating garlic into your diet can provide these significant health benefits while enhancing the flavor of your meals. Whether used in cooking, as a seasoning, or taken as a supplement, garlic is a versatile and powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy.